Indonesia, United Kingdom. The ticket is being printed. Please wait. Please take your ticket.
Yeah, yay! Woohoo!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for takeoff. Passengers, please open the window shade. Passengers, please fasten your seatbelt. Fastening your seatbelt can keep you safe. Cabin check is complete.
Please tap on the push the throttle. Slide the wheel to float. The plane took off successfully. We're on our way.
Passengers, we will arrive in Indonesia shortly.
I would like to go sea fishing. There are so many fish here. Let's start fishing. The fish is on the hook. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. The fish is on the hook. You have to keep tapping to catch the fish. Let's go somewhere else. Stop.
Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please take care. Please find all the safety hazards in the cabin. Passengers, we're passing through turbulence. Please remain seated. The restroom is temporarily closed. The safety check is complete, and you did a great job.
Tap to equip the magical item.
Passengers, we will arrive in the United States shortly.
Let's go and play a football match. We have to change into our football uniform before going to the match. Wear a helmet to protect our head.
The football match is about to start. Players, please get ready.
Don't let them steal the ball. Pass it to a teammate now.
passengers the meals.
I'm done eating. I like the food.
Passengers, we will arrive in the United Kingdom shortly.
Wow, I want to go to that museum.
Dear visitors,
Drag Kiki to look for treasure chests. Is there a treasure chest here? Wow, it's a sticker. If you can't find...
I see a treasure chest upstairs.
Great! Another sticker! Great! Another sticker! We found all the stickers. Let's put them on the postcard. Put them on the postcard now. There you go. That's a nice postcard.
Thank you for traveling on the Baby Bus flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.